Hi viewers, you're watching Boldsky. I am your host Preeti. When you spend most of your time outdoor, your skin comes in contact with a lot of dirt and impurities. Over time, it can get accumulated in your skin pores and surface, which will cause unsightly skin problems like dull skin, pimples, acne, and premature signs of aging. So what can we do for that? So today I am going to show you how to get rid of dirt and impurities from your skin using a natural peel-off mask. So come, let's watch that. The ingredients which we require are tissue paper, mint powder and an egg. First, collect egg white in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of mint leaves powder into it. I have ground the mint leaves in a mixer and I have collected this powder. And now mix the ingredients well to make a consistent paste. After that, you have to wash your face before you apply this and start applying this using a facial brush. Apply it thoroughly all over your face, leaving behind eyes area and mouth area. Now take some tissue papers and paste them all over your face. Once you paste the tissue papers all over your face, start again applying the mixture as thick as possible. I have applied it and leave it for 30 minutes to dry. Once it gets dried, you have to peel the tissue papers out. And now you can wash your face. You can see the clear skin of mine. So you watched how to get rid of dirt and impurities from your skin using this mint face mask. You can try this once in a week for better results. Let us know the importance of the ingredients that we have used. Eggs always tighten and lift our skin. It brightens up the skin and it also gives us nice radiant look. Mint gives us nice amazing cooling effect. It also removes dead skin cells from our skin and gives us bright radiant skin. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like the video and share the video as well. Bye bye.